with any digital project, you want to make sure that your files remain organized. In Audition, this means keeping them together in one file. All of your uncompressed WAV files will travel with a PKF file, which is a sidecar file. So just keep those in the same folder and you'll be okay. Next, let's make sure that your workspace is set up properly. You can change that along this top bar. You can also drop down from the Windows menu and make that change. To make sure that you are in the default workspace, you can simply go to Workspace and reset to save layout. You can also find that on the right-hand menu and reset that. Next, let's check our audio. So you're going to go up to Audition, Settings, and Audio Hardware. You'll select your mic from the list, double check your other settings, and then go through and check your system settings. Here you want your primary mic to be about between 9 and 12. And then hit OK. Now you're ready to start recording.